axis, focal chord, the chord which is passing through the focus, focal distance, okay, focal distance and double ordinate. Okay, this is the first concept. Look at here, the focal distance, nothing but the chord which is passing through the focus is called focal chord. If they give any point will be here x1 y1, then here focus is a comma 0. This is the focal distance. Focal distance is given by modulus x plus a. From the parabola we'll get a value, focus, and from here the point, when they given the point, simply you can find x coordinate plus a. X coordinate plus a, this will give the length of the focal chord. The question they'll ask here, okay. The first question is, if a parabolic reflector is 20 centimeters in diameter, 20 centimeter in diameter and 5 centimeter deep, then the distance from the vortex to focus, okay, vortex to focus, indirectly they given the solution here, okay. So here the thing is parabola, diameter they given here, diameter. So and also they given deep, like a depth, how many, 5 centimeters they given. So what about the diameter here? Parabolic reflector 20 centimeter in diameter, right? Nothing but what here, x comma y value is given. So 5 centimeter deep, nothing but x value, and totally 20 centimeters diameter, nothing but x value is 5 and total length of this reflector is 20 centimeter. This is 10, this is 10, here 5 comma 10, here 5 comma minus 10. So any one of the values substitute in the given equation, y square is equal to 4ax. So substitute. Now we have to find the a value. A value means first we need to find the focus, a comma 0. This a value will be the depth of the what is the value? Focus is a comma 0. So substitute, what is y value? 10. Either you can substitute this point or this point. So 10 square is equal to 4a into x 5. So 100 is equal to 4a, like 20a. So a is equal to 5. When a is equal to 5, what is the focus? A comma 0. Focus is 5 comma 0. That's it. Simple question. So according to the option, first option is correct. Okay, I hope that everyone is having the material. Okay, so a comma 0, a value is 5. Simple. The second question, the focus and vertex of the parabola are, they given focus and vertex are 4 comma 5, 3 comma 6. Second question is, they given a parabola. Question number 2. Focus they given and vertex they given. Focus can be denoted by S. Focus is 4 comma 5, 4 comma 5, and vertex can be denoted by capital A always. This value is 3 comma 6. Okay, then the equation of axis. The equation of axis. Can anyone tell what is the equation of axis here? What does it mean by equation of axis? Yes? The line which is passing through focus perpendicular to directrix or perpendicular to tangent at vertex. This is the directrix. What they're asking this line equation. The line equation, remember that always the axis of parabola passing through focus and vertex and perpendicular to directrix and TV and latus rectum, right? So this equation of axis is always perpendicular to TV, tangent at vertex, directrix and also latus rectum. Any one of the condition. Simple, simple. They are asking this line equation. For that, it is clearly passing through 2 points. One is A, one is S. Let us take this point is x1 comma y1. This is x2 comma y2. Then when we know the 2 points, 2-point formula. What is 2-point formula? Y minus y1 by y2 minus y1, x minus x1 by x2 minus x1. That's it. Substitute x1 y1 value and x2 y2 value here, you will get the answer. Like that you can do. And also, whatever the following option is there, by option verification, trial and error method. Substitute the given points in the given option, whatever the option satisfies the 2 points, that is the equation of axis of parabola. Then third question is, if the focus and directrix of parabola is 3 comma minus 4. Yeah. The third question, observe here. They given focus S value. What is the S value they given? 3 comma minus 4. And they given directrix equation, means fixed line equation x plus y plus 7. So this equation is x plus y plus 7 is equal to 0. Fine. Focus is given, directrix is given. Then the length of the latus rectum. They asking the length of latus rectum, this length. Nothing but we know that length of the latus rectum always 4a. Always 4a. Okay. But we know that what is the distance between directrix to focus? If I consider this is a, this is also becomes a. So a. So 2a. Remember that always the distance from focus to directrix. Fixed point to fixed line always 2a. This is fixed point, fixed line 2a. So, okay, here line equation is given, point is given. This is clearly perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance. Okay, the perpendicular distance formula we know that d is equal to ax1 plus by1 plus c by root over a square plus b square. I clearly told you this is very important formula. Okay, we know that x1 y1 as focus and ax plus by plus c. This is comparing with ax plus by plus c. So what is a value? A value is 1, b value is 1, c value is 7. Substitute here. I said that clearly the length always equal to 2a. 2a is equal to, substitute here x1 is, so 1 into 3 plus 1 into b is 1, y1 is minus 4 plus 7 by root over 1 square plus 1 square. So what is the answer here? 3 minus 4 minus 1 plus 7. 6 by root 2. That is, shall we write 3 root 2? Okay. 6 by root 2, nothing but 3 root 2. But what is the length of the latus rectum? Always 4a. This is the 2a value. When 2a is 3 root 2, what is 4a value? 6 root 2. Is there any option? Yes, fourth option is correct option. First option they given 3 root 2, wrong. Second is 8 root 2, wrong. Third one is 10 root 2, wrong. The last option is 6 root 2. All are very simple questions, right? Now coming to the question number 4. Same question number 4, the focus and directrix of parabola are then the equation of tangent at vertex. Equation of tangent at vertex. What they given here, same kind of question. So focus is given, directrix equation is given, and for this parabola we need to find TV, this equation we need to find, that equation we need to find. And for that focus value they given like 1 comma 2, this is 1 comma 2, it is not x-axis, 1 comma 2, and 2x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. So this equation is 2x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, 2x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0, fine. And then the equation of tangent at vertex. Anyone, if you observe the option, first one is 4x minus 6y plus 5. 4x minus 6y plus 11. 4x minus 6y, because parallel. When I multiply here with 2, what will happen? When I multiply with 2 here, 4x 6y plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay. This is the given equation. See, directrix. Tangent at vertex, both will be parallel. Whenever both will be parallel, then this 4x minus 6y should be common for both the line. So if you are having any two parallel lines, how to write parallel line ax plus by plus c1. The parallel to this line is same ax plus by plus c2. So c1, c2 constant values alone, that different. So remaining everything will be same. Okay, fine. Here, my question is, how can you find the TV tangent at the equation of tangent at vertex? Anyone? So what about the tangent at vertex here? Yes, the tangent at vertex always the midpoint. TV must be passing through the vertex. Vertex is exactly midpoint of focus S and Z. A nothing but vertex, always midpoint of foot of directrix and focus, because same distance. Okay, fine. So first, what to do here? What we have to do? First, we have to find the latest rectum equation. Latest rectum equation, nothing but this latest rectum is parallel to the directrix. Then this is the directrix equation 1, and the equation of latest rectum is, I am taking as 6y plus k is equal to 0. Constant alone the change. So how can you find the k value? K value means the latest rectum passing through 1 comma to substitute here 4 into 1 minus 6 into 2 plus k is equal to 0. From this k value is 4 minus 12, that is 8. K is equal to 8, again substitute here 4x minus 6y plus 8 is equal to 0. This is equation 2. Equation 2 is the equation of the latest rectum, but we require this value, the equation of tangent. Equation of tangent, if you observe that exactly the line which is middle, okay, exactly, it is the passing through vertex. Vertex is a midpoint, parallel to both, and so it can be given by, so this values 2 and plus 8 is there. Yeah, 2 plus 8 by 2. You can find the average because midpoint. What is the midpoint formula generally? X1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. In the same way, yeah, the equation of line tangent at vertex also same. 4x minus 6y. This constant value we can take as average. 2 plus 8 by 2. That is nothing but 5. 2 plus 8 by 2, that is 5. Is there any option? Your first option, 4x minus 6y plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. So that is the answer. Fourth question, first option. Can anyone try that next one, fifth question? Fifth question is what? The focus and directrix of parabola are same. Again, they given focus and they given directrix, and they asking the point of vertex value. Focus is given, some line equation is given like that. They are asking the vertex, the point vertex. How can you find the vertex? Yes. Anyone? By using straight line concept. Straight line already completed for you. Am I right? Straight line concept. Focus is given. Directrix is given. I'm taking focus will be here S. This line directrix I'm taking here. Next question, fifth question. The focus they given 1 comma minus 1. And directrix equation they given x plus y plus 3 is equal to 0. X plus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Right? So here, vertex exactly. This is S, this is Z, this is A. In the question, what they are asking, they given directrix equation, they given focus, and they are asking the point vertex. If you observe here, vertex is exactly midpoint. Midpoint of Z and S. We know that S, just find Z. Just find Z. So what is the Z? When I draw a perpendicular line, Z is the projection of S with respect to this line. Okay? Foot of the directrix, Z. So can anyone say that the formula for foot of the perpendicular is straight line concept?
The h comma k equal to x1 plus al and k y1 plus bbl, and l will be a minus of ax plus
AX1.
by plus c by root of by a square plus b square.
Super, super. So given line comparing with ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, and given point you can take as x1, y1. I need to find z value, you can take h comma k. H comma k, this is the foot of the perpendicular of this point with respect to line. The formula is h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b. This is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Simple, right? So just to find h comma k by substituting, we know that a value 1. We are comparing both sides. A value is 1, B value is 1, C value is 3, and x1 is 1, y1 is minus 1. Substitute all values and simplify. You are going to get h value and k value. Some point we will get. After that, A is a midpoint. A is a midpoint. This is x1, y1. This h comma k. You can comparing with x2 comma y2. The A value is given by x1 plus x2 by 2 midpoint, y1 plus y2 by 2. That's it. Like that you can do. Can anyone tell that what is h comma k? Yes. Do it fast, simplify. We'll go for the sixth question. Sixth question is the focal distance of a point on the parabola y square is equal to 8x is 10. Its coordinates are focal distance they given. Okay. Sixth question, y square is equal to 8x. The focal distance is 10. Nothing but, okay, all of you can do that question later. So x-axis, y-axis, this is the parabola, this is focus, focal distance. Focal distance means from any point on the parabola like P of x1 comma y1. Okay, this distance is called focal distance, right? That is PS. The distance from P to S is called the focal distance. That distance already they given as 10. Focal distance they given as 10. What they are asking, so when focal distance is given, what are the coordinates? What are the coordinates? X1, Y1 value. Not only that, the focal distance may be this was also. This may be 10. Any one of the value becomes 10. They given 10, then what are the coordinates? That is, what is x1 value? What is y1 value of this y square is equal to 8x? What is p value? What is q value? They ask. That's it. A simple question. When the focus, if I take the focus is a comma 0, a comma 0, always focus can comparing with a comma 0 all over. Can anyone tell the what is the focal distance? Just now I have given formula. A very important formula I said.
Sir, can you say that the last problem once? In the last problem, how will we get the vertex, sir? We are finding the point on the directrix, no, sir.
Last question.
So last question, the point we get will be on the directrix, no, sir. That
Yeah, have you got that h comma k?
Sir, but it is not in the option, sir.
No. What is the h comma k you got?
The minus 1 by 2 and minus 5 by 2 like that.
Minus 1 by 2, minus 5 by 2. Is
Sir,
this
yes, sir.
h, is this h comma k? What about other screens?
Yes, sir.
This pressure is 100% right pressure. So h comma k, like if it is minus 1 by 2, minus 5 by 2, after that you have to find the midpoint of focus and this h comma k.
Sir, okay, sir.
After that midpoint only vertex.
Sir, yes, sir.
After that use this formula, then you will get the correct answer. Coming to this question, anyone, what is the focal distance? Focal distance, if I consider the distance is d, d is equal to formula is x1 plus a. This is the focal distance formula, very important. This value they given clearly 10. 10 nothing but what is x1 plus a? Can anyone tell what is a value? Y square is equal to 8x. 8x comparing with 4ax. So you have to equating these two. So 4ax is equal to 8x. Then x get cancelled. 4 1 the 4 2 the, so a is equal to 2. A is equal to 2. That a value substitute here. Yeah, all of you find x1.
Sir, 8, sir.
Oh, x1 is plus or minus 8 because when we remove that modulus, we are going to get plus or minus 5. Okay, right? So when I substitute here, x1 plus 2 modulus is equal to 10. When I remove here, x1 plus 2 is equal to plus or minus 10. So x1 is equal to minus 2 plus or minus 10. Two cases will be there. x1 is equal to minus 2 plus 10, that is 8, and x1 is equal to minus 2 minus 10, that is equal to minus 12. 2x value we got. Okay, we got 2x value. This x value substitute to in given equation, we are going to get two y values. Okay, fine. Then y square is equal to 8 into x. X value is 8. Okay, x value is 8. So 8 8 is 64. So y value is plus or minus 8. Nothing but the first point is 8 comma minus 8 and 8 comma plus 8. 8 x is fixed, x1 is 8 only, but y value is two values, minus 8 plus 8. Okay, fine. Then case 2, when x is equal to minus 12, x is equal to minus 12 substitute in given equation. So 8 into minus 12. Is it possible square root of like plus or minus square root of whatever that value? Okay, minus 96. Is it belongs to a real number? Is it belongs to real number? It is not a real number, so that is not possible. So the points are the coordinates on the parabola is either 8 comma minus 8 or 8 comma 8. So the first option, which option? First is 2 comma plus or minus 2, wrong. 3 comma plus or minus 3, wrong. 5 comma plus or minus, wrong. The last option is 8 comma plus or minus 8. That is right. Okay, next, seventh question. The angle sustained at the double ordinate. Okay. The angle sustained at double ordinate of length 8a. Okay. Yeah, simple question. Yeah, how can we do that next question? That is also very easy. Double ordinate. When we sustain an angle, double ordinate, and of length, the given length of the double ordinate of the parabola is at vertex is. So what is that angle they are asking? What is the angle they are asking? It is easy and a logical question. Very, very easy. Double first, before that, you should know about what is the mean by double ordinate. Anyone? Double ordinate. Nothing but the chord which is perpendicular to the x-axis, y-axis, a double ordinate which is perpendicular to axis of parabola, which is perpendicular to axis of parabola, that is called double ordinate. So after draw the double ordinate, we have to sustain the angle at vertex. This is the vertex A, right? Okay, fine. So the equation of parabola, the given y square is equal to 4ax. This is y square is equal to 4x, and length of the double ordinate also they given. What is the length of the double ordinate they given? Length of the double ordinate.
The 8.
8a. 8a means this is 4a, this is 4a, and y square is equal to 4ax means this is 4a we got. And we need to find this angle. What about that angle? So here 4a, y value they given 4u. What about this x value? Y square is equal to 4ax. Y value 4a. So 4a whole square. 4a whole square is equal to 4ax. On 4a get cancelled. X also 4a. So this is also 4a. So nothing but this point is 4a comma 4a. Okay, we don't want, we need the angle. So this total angle is 2 theta. I am taking total angle is 2 theta. Then what is each angle? Theta. So how can you find theta value here? We know that opposite side value, we know that adjacent side. What is the formula which is related to opposite to the angle and adjacent to the angle? Shall I take tan theta 4a by 4a, opposite by adjacent. So that is tan theta is equal to 1. Theta is equal to theta value.
Yeah, 5
Pi by 4. When theta value is 5 by 4, but the angle between these is 2 theta. Total angle is 2 theta. 2 into pi by 4, nothing but pi by 2. Pi by 2. So the angle is, third option is correct. Third option is correct. So here they given length 8a. 8a nothing but this is 4a, this is 4a. Okay, nothing but y value. This is y value. Y coordinate is given to find x value. Substitute this 4a in given equation, we'll get x value. X value nothing but this length. X also 4a. Tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent. We'll get that value. Okay, fine. Next question. Eighth question is the length of the latest rectum of the parabola, like 2y square. Yeah, length of the latest rectum of parabola. Already shortcut method I given formula here. The equation of parabola is 2y square, 2y square plus 3y plus 4x minus 2. Yeah, comparing this ay square plus by plus cx plus d is equal to 0. The length of latest rectum LLR is equal to, I clearly given yesterday's modulus c by a. C by a formula. What is C here? Comparing both. C 4 by A 2. That is 2. 2 is the answer. Third option. Question number 8. They given standard form. You should remember the formula. Length of latest rectum. Otherwise, you know, you have to change it to standard form. After that, we have to find A. After finding A, 4A is the length of the latest rectum. Try to remember formula. Okay. Then question number 9, equation of the
Sir,
axis. Yeah,
we found x no sir. X is equal to 4a or a sir.
x is equal to
Sir, x is equal to 4a or only a sir.
where? Yeah, here, sorry, here 4a. When one 4a get cancelled, x is equal to 4a. Sorry, 4a. Ninth question, equation of the axis of parabola. Equation of axis of parabola. Now you can change it to standard form. Y square plus 6y minus 2x. So student, my advice is at the same day, you have to practice this concept. Okay, geometry is very, very important. So these applications sometimes we can use in calculus also. 3D, vectors, everywhere is there. Sphere, ellipse, parabola, hyperbola, even complex numbers also there. In vectors also we will discuss. In the maxima, minima, in calculus also we are going to use this. Okay, in three-dimensional. And the JE mains also, this is very, very important. Clear? If you understood very clearly the parabola concept, ellipse and hyperbola becomes very, very easy. Okay, that you have to keep in your mind and don't be delayed. So if you think that after 2 3 days, okay, we may practice, means you never remember the concept. The same day if you practice, it is very, very easy to you. Even revision also becomes easy. Otherwise, it becomes looking like new concept. Right? My sincere advice is you have to more practice